Good morning everyone. I'm Reena Jha and today I'm going to teach you sound of CK. What we will learn today? Sound of CK. Okay. So first word is K-I-C-K, kick. Once again, K-I-C-K, kick. And what is the meaning of kick? To move or hit something or somebody with our foot. To move or hit something or somebody with our foot is called kick. And the spelling of kick is K-I-C-K, kick. Second word is D-U-C-K, duck. Second word is D-U-C-K, duck. It's a type of a bird and the spelling of duck is D-U-C-K. Third word is brick. Spelling of brick, B-R-I-C-K. It's a material. It is used for making walls and houses. Okay. And the spelling of brick is B-R-I-C-K. Fourth word is clock. Fourth word is clock. An instrument that shows us what time it is. It is found everywhere. At our home, school, any shop. Okay. And the spelling of clock is C-L-O-C-K. C-L-O-C-K. Next word is T-R-U-C-K, truck. Once again, T-R-U-C-K, truck. It's a land transport. It is a land transport, means of transport. Next is cock. C-O-C-K. It is a type of a bird and the spelling of cock is C-O-C-K. Once again, C-O-C-K. Next is rock. Spelling of rock is R-O-C-K. It is a hard and solid material that forms parts of the surface of the earth. It is a hard and solid materials that forms part of the surface of the earth. Okay. And the spelling of rock, R-O-C-K. Next is N-E-C-K, neck. Neck is a part of our body. It is called neck, part of our body. And the spelling of neck is N-E-C-K. N-E-C-K. Next word is luck. L-U-C-K, luck. And the spelling once again L-U-C-K, luck. Success or good something happens by chance. That happen by chance is called luck. L-U-C-K, luck. And last word is L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. It is a mechanical device that is used for securing a door, or we can say receptacle. Okay. It is a mechanical device. It is used for securing a door or receptacle, and it can be opened with a key. It can only be opened with a key. So I have written 10 words here. These are CK sound words. Okay. This is your today's homework and you all have to learn it. Bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing and have fun.